Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to solve this algebraic expression, and the given problem here is c square minus ab that is equal to 22 and b square minus ac that is equal to negative 103, and where a, b, c are natural number, then we'll have to find the value of a square minus bc. Friends, please subscribe my channel and also give thumbs up to the video. Let's start the video. Now for solving this problem, we'll take this as equation 1 and this equation as equation 2. Now here we have c square minus ab and b square minus ac. So we'll subtract equation 1. We'll subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Then we'll get the left hand side of the equation 1, that is c square minus ab and negative b square, and here minus and minus plus ac, that is equal to 22. Here minus and minus plus, that is 103. So now we'll rearrange this will become c square minus b square and plus ac minus ab, that is equal to, and 22 and 103 is 125, and here it is c square minus b square, we can write c plus b multiplied by c minus b, and now from these two terms we can take plus a common. So we'll take a common and remaining is c minus b, that is equal to 125. So here we can again take c minus b common. So we'll take c minus b common and remaining will be here c plus b and here a. So it is in the form of a plus b plus c, that is equal to 125. Now here 125 is the positive integers, and in the questions they have given that a, b, c are natural number. So this value will be positive only, a plus b plus c will be positive, and for positive the multiplication value should also be positive to get a positive value, that is 125. And we have 125 if we'll split in factor, that is one factor is 1 and 125 itself, and another will be 5 and 25. This is the only factors of 125. So here the values of this term, values of c minus b, the value of c minus b always be less than from a plus b plus c. So here this term value will be either 1 or 5, 1 or 5 from this, and this value will be either 125 or 25 for the second case. So now we have two cases for solving this. One is the value of, one case is the value of c minus b will be either 1, then the value of a plus b plus c will be 125, and the second case for that c minus b value will be either 5, then the value of a plus b plus c will be 25. Now from here we can take out the value of c, that is in term of b will be 1 plus b. Now here we'll try to make all the terms in terms of b. So here the value of c will put 1 plus b in this equation, then our equation will be a plus b plus, in place of c we'll write 1 plus b, that is equal to 125. Now the value of a will be value of a, that is equal to 125 minus 1, 124, and here 1b and 1b 2b, that will be negative 2b. So we have value of a. Now we'll put the value of a in the first equation, so we'll write it here. So we'll write the first equation, that is c square minus ab, that is equal to 22. Here in place of c we'll write 1 plus b, so 1 plus b whole square, minus in place of a we'll write 124 minus 2b, so 124 minus 2b multiplied by this b, so multiplied by b, that is equal to 22. So here we will simplify it is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is we can write 1 plus 2b plus b square minus 124b and minus plus 2b square, that is equal to 22. Now we'll simplify it. Here 2b and b, that is 3b square minus 124b plus 2b, that will be minus 122b, and here plus 1, and this will be minus 22, and it will be minus 21, that is equal to 0. Now from here we will calculate the value of b. The value of b will be minus b, minus and minus plus 122 plus minus b square means 122 square minus 4 times a means 3 and c means minus 21, so it will be plus 21. 2, 8, 2 and 3. So the value of b will be 122 plus minus under root 122 square is 14,884 and plus 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12, 2 remaining 1, 12 2s are 24 and 25, and that is divided by 236. So here it is 122 plus minus root under 0.26, 8 and 5 13, 3 remaining 1, 8 and 2 10, 10 and 1 11 remaining 1, 14 and 1 15, that is divided by 6. Here 15,136 not a perfect square, so the value will not be in natural number, so we cannot take this, so we will not take this. Now we'll go for the second option. We'll write it in the second page. So here we have copied down the second case is here. So from here we'll take out the value of c. The value of c in terms of b will be 5 plus b. Now in this equation we'll put the value of c, so the equation will here, that is a plus b. In place of c we'll write 5 plus b, that is equal to 25. So value of a will be this 5 will go this side and that will be minus 5. So 25 minus 5 is 20 and b that is 2b, and this will be negative 2b. So we have value of a. Now we'll put the value of a in the second equation. In place of c we'll put 5 plus b and it is whole square minus, in place of a we'll write 20 minus 2b multiplied by b, that is equal to 22. So here it is in the form of a plus b whole square, so we'll write 25 a square plus 2ab means 210b plus b square, and here minus 20b and minus plus 2b square, that is equal to 22. Now here b square and 2b square is 3b square plus 10b, negative 20b will be negative 10b, 25 and this 22 will be negative 22, that will be plus 3, that is equal to 0. Now here for calculating the value of b, we'll factorize it. Here we'll write 3b square and we'll write negative 10b as 9b, negative 9b, negative b plus 3, that is equal to 0. Now from these two terms we can take 3b common. We'll take 3b common and the remaining will be b, and here 3, and from these two terms we'll take minus 1 common and the remaining will be b minus 3, that is equal to 0. Now here again we can take b minus 3 common, and remaining is 3b minus 1, that is equal to 0. Here 2 factors value is 0, so we write b minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3b minus 1 is equal to 0. So here the value of b will be 3 and here the value of b will be, this will be 1 divided 3. So here the value of abc is natural number, so we cannot take factorized form, so the value of b will take 3. Now we'll put the value of b here, that is value of a is equal to 20 minus 2b means 6. The value of a is 20 minus 6 is 14 and value of b we have calculated is 3. The value of c we'll put here 5 plus 3, that will be 8. So here we have calculated the value of a, b and c, that is 14, 3 and 8. So friend, how my video is, do not forget to give your comments, and if still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching the video.